Ahoy, shipmates! Wonderful morning here in the port of Southampton. Ever such a gentle mist blanketing the New Forest there. But we're not here for mist, we're here for the Disney Dream. First time back into the port this year. There's a number of cruises planned. And I thought I'd start off with a photo. Just got out here this morning as the sun was rising. The light was starting to improve. Looked pretty good to me. Disney Dream was launched in October 2010. Disney Dream was the first of two new ships commissioned by Disney in 2007. 129,000 gross tons, maximum passenger capacity of 4,000 with just under 1,500 crew. I'm going to go for a head-on shot here. Not too bad. I thought this might work with Disney Dream because she's got quite a lot of detail on the hull. Quite a pretty ship, you might say, somewhat reminiscent of perhaps Queen Mary 2, with a pointy bow and a sloped stern. Quite a high amount of detailing as well, sort of classical cruise ship looking at cruise ship. I guess if you were a child and were asked to draw a cruise ship, it probably wouldn't look like this. It'd look like something completely different. But if you were more adult-minded, I think this fits the mould of a perfect looking at cruise ship. I was hoping that the mist in the background would help the photograph, but not really very visible. Maybe I should have gone for a bit more height. So it's tricky this time of day. The Disney Dream is 40% larger than the two older ships, the Disney Magic and the Disney Wonder. 14 floors, a black hull, white superstructure and twin red funnels with yellow lifeboats, an unusual feature on most cruise ships. Disney Dream has a very traditional style, very Art Deco, I say somewhat reminiscent of the Cunard line. Every Disney Cruise Line ship has an atrium lobby statue celebrating a classic Disney character. Disney Dreams is Donald Duck, portrayed as an admiral. The funnel has a subtle Mickey Mouse logo on it. Other than that, I really do think they've done a top job. And there is a little flourish towards the Disney on the back here. I'll take a photo of that, see what's on the stern. Appears to be some chap there. He's doing a spot of painting. I should zoom in and have a look. Oh no, he's doing some cleaning. Looks like the Mickey Mouse playing the Sorcerer's Apprentice. Very calm this morning. Beautifully flat waters. And actually very mild for a change. I'm sure we'll have a couple of days of sunshine and summer and then back to winter. We'll be live streaming this evening. Hopefully get to hear the classic horn of a Disney ship. What tune she's going to play, don't know. We'll have to find out. Tune in this evening, 4 o'clock. Hope you enjoyed that one. Till next time, shipmates.